Let's talk a little bit about life insurance. What kind of life insurance do you need? How do you buy it? What should it look like? Now, there are two types: term insurance and their permanent insurance. Permanent insurance is life insurance that you can keep the entirety of your life as long as you pay the premiums and the costs are covered. Term insurance is typically what we like to recommend for most people. That is where you have a premium that's paid, you're renting the insurance, and that premium will change based on the type of insurance. You might have 1-year term where the premium goes up every single year as you get older. You don't see that too often. Typically, you'll see 10-year term, which the premium remains level for 10 years, then goes up, or 20-year term, which it's level for 20 years, then goes up, or even 30-year term. And sometimes they're in between term coverages, 15-year and 25-year. Now, the idea is this. Think about yourself as a machine that's kicking out income. If you had a machine in your house that kicked out income, how much would you insure it for? Well, you would insure it for whatever income it's going to kick out until it stops kicking out income. Then there's no reason to actually keep insuring it. Well, think about yourself that way. You'll work until a point in time where you retire and you're not kicking out income anymore. So there's no need typically to insure somebody past the age that they're not actually producing income, or nobody is dependent upon their income. So think about how old's your child. Maybe you have a child that's going to be out of the nest in 20 years. So you may buy level insurance, 20-year term, and then that's it. You don't need the insurance anymore. Now, what happens is each of these types of insurance is more costly. 5-year term is less expensive than 10-year term, which is less expensive than 20, and so on. So you choose the period of time that you're going to need coverage and go from there. Now, for most people, thinking about 8 to 10 times income is a fairly standard rule of thumb. But you want to actually, in the planning process, determine how long you want the insurance for and what type of insurance. Term versus permanent. Permanent might be used in estate planning applications, but not very often. Most people, term insurance.